Hello! Okay, today we're going to be fitting, or attempting to be fitting, tyre liners. Anything that helps prevent a puncture, I'll go for it. Now these are Maxford 20 by 4 inch tyre liners. I got these from AliExpress and I think they were around £15 or just below for two. They do a one that's 26 inch by 4. It's not that much dearer actually. So yeah, I mean my tyres have already been GOOPED, which is similar to slime, and you can you can check them videos out in the description below. But I've always wanted to add tyre liners, but they are quite expensive. So these came in at the right price, but we'll have to see if they're any good. So let's have a bit of a look at one. Yeah, they're sort of a silicone. Yeah. Now it says to get the correct measurement is to wrap them around the outside of your wheel on the outside and leave a 2 centimeter gap, which obviously allows for the difference when it's inside. So we're going to do that. And I've also believe you round the corners off a bit on these to prevent any pinching of the inner tube. So the first thing to do is get this wrapped around the tyre and get it measured. I assume that's the idea, like that. Well, they're quite a bit shorter than 2 centimeter gap. So, I don't know. That's not a good start, is it? Hopefully then, when they're inside the tyre, we'll see that close up. Yes, well, first thing, let's get this tyre off. Now these are the Sandstorm tyres. I don't expect it to drop off as easy as the original tyres, but yeah, let's get the wind out of it, let it down and see how easy it is to get off. Right, let's have a look, see how easy it comes off. Oh, yeah, it's not too bad at all. Doesn't drop off quite like the originals, but that's still really easy, that is. Still really easy. Now then, this should be the fun part. Getting this tucked in behind the tyre, behind the tube. I'm just going to put it in roughly, and hopefully we can manoeuvre it better afterwards. I'm wondering whether it be easier to do with the tyre completely off, which I think I may have to do, and put a bit of wind in the tube to hold it against the tyre. So yeah, I think that's the better way. Take it completely off and yeah, it's definitely going to be a better way, I think. So, leave me to struggle with this for a while, and I'll get back to you when I've got it in. Well, I'll be honest with you, getting that centred in the tyre was an absolute nightmare. And yes, it's got to come off the tyre, there's no way you can do it with it on the wheel. The bit of air in the inner tube does hold it against the wall of the tyre. But getting it in the central line, well, that's not easy. See how this tyre goes back on. If it goes on easy enough, should do. It wasn't that difficult. With that together, just make sure your valve is sitting straight, and that can get pumped back up again, and then it'll be on to the rear one. Now hopefully it's not going to pinch the tube at all, and hopefully it hasn't shifted while I've been putting it back on, but it really wasn't an easy task, that. But yeah, it's all together. Well, it's all together. It's all back in the tyre, and hopefully it's another layer of protection against punctures. Because we all hate getting punctures. It's probably one of the worst things. You can be miles from home. Oh no, flat tyre. Don't need it, dear. Really don't need it. So, if this is going to stop getting them, or like I say, another wall against getting them, because I've got the goop in there, the anti-puncture liquid. So only time will tell again now what it's in, and yeah, I'll get on with the back wheel. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this short video of me struggling to get me tyre liners in. Yeah, they're decent value. I'll put the link to them below. I just wanted to see how resilient they are to punctures. Not very scientific, but the toothpick's a bit like a thorn, isn't it? And if I just do it in this corner, because I'll cut that off anyway, I'll see if I can well, yeah. Has it gone through? It has it gone through? Just about penetrated that, but that was some force. That was some force. That didn't go through that time, so yeah, let's do it here. Let's do it in a thick part. I mean, it will go through, but that is taking some force, and well, hopefully it'll stop the thorn from going through. It all helps, doesn't it? So there it is, the Maxford 20x4 tyre liners from AliExpress. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.